Bro, it's oh my. Alright, babe. The mic was messed up. I got a new mic, but I'm playing duos with my friend on Royale. It's like a game, a battle royale in Ikea and stuff. It's weird but cool. Where you at?
Security vest.
Security vest. Yeah. You're a mannequin, bro. How are you gonna put that on? Hold on, is it recording? Yes, it is. Alright, I'm recording. I probably won't be able to hear you, I'm not gonna lie. I got 40. Alright, I got a bandage. Bro, there's only like 6 people in this game, bro. What is this game? Where you at? I found a box cutter. Can I get a backpack or something? Fire extinguisher? Hold on, let me place this.
I think you can recycle that.
Oh, I think there's someone here.
I need to get a weapon.
I don't know. I could throw the TV. Oh my, yeah, I'm saving that. I'm saving that. Are you good?
Yeah.
Are you okay? No, that's your energy. Thought you were losing health. Ah! Trampoline? Yo, can I throw the trampoline?
I got a backpack.
Can I?
got a backpack.
Oh, I can have the trampoline. Where you at?
I got it. I got me a broom.
Crazy. Where you at though? How you get? Can you fly on the broom?
Huh?
Yo, what's going on? What the?
Can't fly anything.
What's wrong with my screen?
What?
Why go black and white?
Wait, your screen was black and white. Mine didn't.
It went like all white. I don't know what happened. Oh, thought there was gonna be a fly glitch. Oh, it's because my character got tired from carrying the thing. He's carrying a trampoline. Alright.
Why?
What is going on?
Oh, is that a dark zone?
What is...
Dark zone.
Airdrop. Airdrop. Wow.
Entrance.
How do you open map?
I don't think you do.
Run, 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 run. Bro, he on a glider? What is that? He was on a couch. Bro was gliding on it.
He's on there.
Yo, he's after me. I heard that swing. Bro, it's... Oh my... Alright, babe. Yo, I'm getting jumped right now, bro. Where are you? Actually, I'm actually getting jumped right now. Where are you? Alright, I'm gonna throw this couch at them. Ah! Boom! Stupid. He's gonna throw a couch at me! He's throwing couches!
Where are you?
Get back.
Where are you?
Hey, bro, I'm getting jumped!
I'm trying to find you right now.
What the I'm slowing them down with the... Just smack him with the fry. Oh, damn, bro, this dude... He just threw this gigantic ass treasure box at me. Bro, stop! They keep throwing things at me! Getting bullied. Run. 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 I got one!
Where are you? Explain your area. Or...
Got him. Oh, no, I don't have him. I don't have him, actually. Oh, I think I might have him. I think I might have this time. Frick out of here, boy. Yo, he's actually chasing me, bro. Oh my god. I can run a heal? I can run a heal?
I'm going.
Who do you think you is?
see you.
Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are?
I'm coming, bro.
Help me! Please! Please!
Sit down. Sit down.
Help me! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Right. Get your ass back here, boy. Get your ass back.
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Easy trying to...
He's gonna throw some furniture at us.
I'm in London right now. Oh, I can't run. I'm tired.
He in one day right now.
Woo! Woo! Boom! Damn! Bow! Oh, get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! Corner him! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Corner him!
There's furniture in him.
Oh, he blocked. How do you block that?
Got his ass.
Bow! He's 1 health!
He's one-
He's 1 HP! I'm gonna throw a couch at him. I'm gonna throw it. No, I'm gonna throw a bathtub at him. Wait, wait. No! No! No, we're not. I want to kill him with the throwing something at him. Bro! Throw like the biggest thing you have. No more. Not that. Well, actually, yeah, that would work. That would work.
Get your ass.
Where is he? Are you good? Are y'all? Oh, y'all fighting it out. Yo, come on, character, hurry up. Boom! They hit you. They hit you. Bro, alright, bro. Hold on. Let me get rid of those, bro. Throw this at, bro. Is he in here?
Got his ass.
Nice! You got him? Like, killed him, killer?
Yeah. Here, bro.
Ooh. You got a bow?
Yo, take that bandage.
Bet. Alright, I'll keep this.
Come here, bow, bro. I crafted it. Hey, bro, take some stuff so you can recycle it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Oh, airdrop right here. I think this is the airdrop. There's airdrops on the top.
Airdrop.
Yo, I want an RPG. Is there RPGs in the game?
Nah,
About to find out. Ooh, tracker.
I got air
Let me
trap.
get the tracker. Oh!
I see the last people.
Yo, I heard him.
They're over here. What I'm looking at. Yeah, I see them.
Lion Skin and Rainbow Six Siege.
Enemy is about to scan the area.
We're losing. Horribly. Damn! Back up! Stupid! Back up! Oh my god! Back up! Hold on, yo, Christian, help me!
I'm about to lose too.
Back up, little kid. Throw this fat ass bed at you. Hey, yo, hold on! I pulled the breaker. No, I'm gonna die! How do I select zone? Oh, pet storage. Oh, I couldn't choose. Damn. Alright, I'm just gonna look for you, right?
Well, look at the top of the map, and you're gonna see a blue icon where you are. Where you should.
I bet. Hold on.
The car is a lockpick.
Yo, hold on. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting. Oh, punch the hell out of you. Pow! Bow, stupid!
I got a tracker.
Shoot me, hit me! Boom, stupid! What you doing? Oh. Yo, I'm gonna jump right now. If you could come help me, that would be immaculate. Open up the dark void.
Opened up the shadow realm.
Christian, come on, run. Don't, bro. I'm telling you, run. I told you to run. Can I climb? No. Sadly. Yo! Why is it just go?
Test.
That's what I'm saying. It's faster than us. Yeah, I need some loot.
I can give you,
Oh, I found a supply crate. I got a bow. I got no arrows though. Well, I got security. Got cars in this game? No, they don't. I'm lying.
Bro, I can make me a revolver.
I'll make it. Yo, where are all the 5 people at? There's like 3 people left. I found a I found a revolver.
You found a revolver.
Yes. I need the security thing though. I need the security guard, bro.
Oh, crafting me one.
Wait, maybe if I could like glitch through or something? Like, probably a bad idea.
It's supposed to barrel. Let me take this.
Bet. It doesn't explode on, bro. You're lying. I can shoot that at your hound. Bro, my armor, kid! There's people over there. Get this. Get from the right. Get from the left. This is bro using a fire extinguisher on me. Frick out of here, boy.
I hit him for 5. The revolver only does 5 damage?
Oh my, I'm blind. I can't see. What happened? Come here, kid. Is he placing a bear trap? Bro, really, dude. Really, chat. Bro, get him. Oh, let me heal up while you get him. Yo, you cannot. Did he just blind you? He got blinded. Yo, hop off my man's cut. Bro, oh my, yo, this fire extinguisher is getting annoying. Oh, run! Headass. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong person.
Daddy, me.
I know, my fault. Damn! He threw it at me. Stupid. I'm gonna use it against him. Okay, it doesn't have any. Hold on. Let me get his ass. Run! Christian, run! Chase him, though. Jason Derulo! Yo, Dad, Jason Derulo. I got him! Yo, we won!
How the hell did we did not deserve to win.
Alright, we're back in the game. We got 20 seconds to pick where we land. Alright, where we gonna land, bro?
Storage or where?
Storage south? Storage would
Top
be in the
left or
mid-east.
top right?
So, I see you, entrance. Well, actually, no, not entrance. Fort south. Fort
Top
south.
or bottom?
Fort south, left! Fuck. Kid.
Spawn in the box.
Really chat. Bro, oh my god, we land together. Spawn together. Bruh, I can't slide cancel, dude. Why can't I slide?
Huh?
He said, bro, why can't I slide cancel? Why can't I build? I got materials.
No more.
He said, why can't I build? Boom. Yo, I got a meatball launcher.
I gotta put me a bolt upgrade. Let me use this for my bow.
I got an upgrade. I got a bolt upgrade. Ooh, I use it on my crowbar.
Keep this tweaking.
Dang! Why the airdrop so loud?
God.
Hold on. I got an idea. I got a really good idea actually. Infinite money glitch IRL. Oh, yo, what happened? What just happened? Oh my.
Bro.
There we go. Boom.
I
Boom.
heard gunfire.
Boom. Yes, sir. We on top of here now? Where you at, Christian?
Make me a boat.
Oh, yo, this place is lit. This looks dope. Yo, what place is this? Fort? It's gotta be a fort.
Yeah.
Oh, I found someone. Oh, about to get spun up, boy. Frick out of here. Yeah, smack me, stupid.
Hey, I'm coming.
Oh my god, I got knocked. Damn. Get his ass. Get him. Bro. Yo, bro, get him. Not me.
Get him up, let him get up.
Oh, he had to jump, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I feel bad for him. Where's his teammate at? Bro?
Fight back, nigga!
No.
Fight back, nigga!
Bro!
Fight
Stupid!
back.
His name is Walter White.
Hey, give me them arrows. Yeah.
Bro got a frying pan. Whew. I got a meatball launcher for no reason, bro. I'm mad. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna get a pencil. Can I throw him? I can! Where are you, Christian?
No, bro, I don't want me.
Get out of here, boy.
Ow,
It's a fight to the death, bro. It's only us left. Hold on. Yo, go turn on every thing. We're gonna wait for this dude. I'm actually gonna go try to find this dude.
Mind me.
Why, he has a thing? Fire extinguisher?
Yeah, bro. Help me.
Where are you? Okay. Oh, no, I got no stamina. Block. Keep blocking. I'm going. He's one tap. Oh my god, imagine. Oh, get this. Watch. Guys, watch this. He's never gonna expect this. He bounced off his shiny head. Boom!
You lost his body armor.
Oh, I'm throwing pistols? Ooh.
Hey, I'm gonna throw this.
Throw it at him. Damn, bro. You almost killed us.
Caught it, no. He actually caught it.
I'm about to get last hit. I'm about to get final hit. I won.
Nah, bro, that was all me.
Minutes. Bro, why was that 8 minutes long, bro? I don't know. But,
It was fun, though.
alright, I'm gonna end the video there.
Yeah,
That was a fun game. Huh?
You gotta get off.
No, I'm just gonna end the video there. Alright, I'm ending the video there, bro.
Well,
Yeah, I'm a. Alright, well, I'll make another video, probably tomorrow.
Alright.
Another video tomorrow. But yeah, bye.
Alright, bye.
Peace.